Hey guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan from the trendyblog.net, and today let's do a quick unboxing and hands-on review of the Mevofit Eco B500 Ultra Smart Fitness Watch. So to the back you can see that the MRP of the product is written as 7,990 rupees, but you can get it cheaper online. Links to purchase will be in the description. Also the battery info, it's written that the capacity of the battery is 130 mAh and charging watt hour is 0.48 watt hours. So unboxing the packaging, we get the watch itself. We got the purple color and it looks pretty cool in my opinion. And it really feels premium when you're wearing it. Also the band is very soft. Further inside the box, you get this charging cable. Then we have a caution notice. Prevent water, sweat, seepage, else the product warranty will be void. And then we get a thank you for your purchase card. Then we have another card in which written 15 days return policy, 1 year warranty, and 24/7 customer care. So you can just download this app and claim your 1 year warranty. Then we have the user manual for Eco B500 Ultra Smart Fitness Watch. So here you can see we have the introduction. Eco B500 Ultra allows you to track your heart rate, blood pressure, steps distance, calories burned, and quality of sleep. Then we have the intended use. B500 Ultra is a general wellness product intended to promote physical fitness by tracking exercise and aerobic activity. We have an important note: B500 Ultra can be used as Bluetooth device so that you can monitor activity using phone which run iOS 8 and above, and Android phones running Android 5.1 or above. So the package contains, as we saw, Eco 100B Ultra device, charging case, instruction manual with warranty information. So here the features of the watch are given, which is wirelessly syncs data to smartphone, OLED touchscreen, get sleep and activity goals, receive and display text messages on social media notification, tracks heart rate, blood pressure, etc. Incoming caller ID, incoming messages, rechargeable battery, magnetic charging system, Bluetooth enabled and shockproof anodized aluminum casing. So here is a quick look at the smart fitness watch. So you can see it's on and off button given, touch menu button, heart rate and blood pressure sensor, and the charging port. You can see it's written how to download the app for Android. So you can search for fitness tracker by Ecotronics on Play Store or scan the QR code to download the app. Taking a look at the watch itself, you can see it looks pretty cool, and we have got this in purple color and it feels very premium while holding in hand, and the material is very good, and the band also feels pretty solid too. So now let us just power on the smartwatch by just pressing this button for a few seconds and it will get powered on. So you can see it gets powered on now. So if you see to the back, it's written Ecotronics, and here we have the heart rate and blood pressure sensors, and here is the charging pin where you can put your charging cable in. So this is the watch interface. So we have a button here which you can click and browse to the menu. So you can see it shows the date and time, and it will show the amount of steps taken, then the distance covered, and calories burned, and it shows the heart rate. Here you can see it shows the heart rate. And after heart rate we have the blood pressure monitor. You can see it tell you the blood pressure. You can see it just senses your blood pressure through these signals. Then we have the hours we slept, and this is the power off button. If you can press just this button, your watch will get powered off. So here you can see here is the fitness tracker by Ecotronics app interface. So here we have fitness tracker, get all your steps, calories burned, etc., heart rate, push notifications, device settings, and more. So guys, that was a quick unboxing and hands-on video. Guys, we'll be coming up with the full review of the smartwatch very soon. So if you wanna read that, you can just check out our description. It will be updated there. And also, if you want to purchase it, links to purchase will be in the description. So guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan signing off. We'll catch you guys soon in the next one. Till then, peace out.